Chairman,
Who are we citing in contempt of the committee?
the one who is lying, Mr.
the,
Chairman.
Mr. Diskaya.
Yes.
So please explain.
Your Honor, humihingi po ako ng pasensya po sa inyo. Wala po akong intention talaga magsinungaling, pero yung misis ko po kasi talaga ay madalas po, may sakit po talaga siyang diabetes at saka meron po talaga siyang hypertension. At katunayan nga po, marami po siyang mga maintenance po na gamot na ginagamit. Opo.
Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman,
Yes, Senator Ontiveros.
lalo akong nalilito sa show cause ni Mr. Diskaya kung bakit hindi nyo po siya dapat i-cite in contempt for lying. Iba po ang heart condition sa diabetes, iba rin po yon sa hypertension, at lalong iba sa mag-a-absent sa hearing natin dahil lamang may meeting siya. So, lalo siya
Okay,
pong
yeah.
nalulunod sa baha nung mga mali-maling sagot
taken,
po
well
niya,
noted,
Mr. Chair.
Secretary.
Mr. Chair, may we go back to the original motion, Mr. Chair?
Yeah, Mr. Chair, ito lang sa akin simple lang. Very inconsistent yung mga pinagsasabi nitong si Mr. Diskaya. And then pangalawa, mag-asawa sila, imposible hindi niya alam, hindi sila nag-uusap tungkol doon sa health conditions ng silang dalawang magkasama. Very clear for me na tulad nga sinabi ni Senator Erwin, pinagluloko tayo nito, ginagawa tayong parang mga bata rito.
There's a motion to cite in contempt of the committee, Mr. Diskaya. Any objection?
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Senator Marcoleta.
na-override na po ba yung proposal nyo na show cause muna? O
No, he has already explained. Because he's the subject of the contempt citation, or demotion at least, no? So we can rule on that.
To be consistent, Mr. Chair, isite na rin natin for contempt si Yusek Cabral at saka si Secretary Remulla. Wala rin sila rito.
They're not here, so they will be issued show cause orders. But in the case of Mr. Diskaya, he's already here, he's already explained, and it's up to the members of the committee to decide whether or not satisfactory yung kanyang explanation. But yes, we will issue show cause orders to the persons mentioned by the Honorable Marcoleta.
Pero mamaya, Mr. Chair, meron akong mga katanungan sa kanya na makukontem talaga to. Kahit anong mangyari before the end of
Hindi
this
na, meron
hearing,
ng
he will-
pending motion.
He will be cited.
We'll rule on that.
Sinisiguro ko
alright.
makukontem ito mamaya, Mr. Chair.
Well,
Kung hindi tayo makukontem dito sa pagsinungaling niya dahil dun sa kanya misis, dito may hawak ng mga dokumento na makukontem tong taon to at the end of the day.
The Senate President is recognized.
Yes, okay. I think your pending motion is not to cite him in contempt. It doesn't necessarily mean that we will be deciding on what to do with him after that. It's just merely citing in contempt for lying. So we'll take it at that at this point, and perhaps discuss later on what the decision of the committee is. But in the meantime, I'm giving up my 3 minutes to Senator Rizal.
Not
Point
yet,
of inquiry.
Senate President.
Point of inquiry, Mr. Chairman.
I would like to clarify with Senator Marcoleta if he raised an objection, because I didn't quite get it.
no, I'm not raising any objection.
Thank you, Senator
Point of
Marcoleta.
inquiry.
So let's rule first on the motion, pending motion, before anybody else talks. No. So there's no objection. So, Mr. Diskaya, you are cited in contempt of this committee.
Point of inquiry, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, Senator Bam.
Mr. Chairman, what is the penalty for not following a subpoena? Because as far as I know, Mr. Chairman, some of the resource speakers here are under subpoena. Pwede po bang magbigay lang ng excuse letter kahit nakasubpoena po kayo?
Well, it depends on the committee. The committee decides on that as a collegial body.
May I know that the contractors are under subpoena. Are the DPWH and the others also under subpoena, Mr. Chairman? Just to clarify, sino po ba yung nakasubpoena dito?
Director General, can you address the question raised by Senator Bam?
Mr. Chairman, before he is recognized, just
Senator Pangilinan is recognized.
just to respond to the question, if they have been subpoenaed and they have not appeared, then they will be asked to explain why they should not be cited either in contempt or that that a warrant of arrest be issued for them to be compelled to attend. That That's the process now that we are observing.
Hindi ko naintindihan masyado.
No, if they have been subpoenaed and they fail to appear, then they are given the opportunity to explain why they should not be either
And-
cited.
And it is up to the body
arrested.
to decide whether the explanation is valid or not.
That is correct.
That is correct. That is correct. So there's a pending motion? No. The chair has already ruled on the motion. So you're hereby cited in contempt of the committee, Mr. Diskaya.